Apple changed the rules of its U.S. App Store on Tuesday in what appears to be the final result from the long-running Epic Games antitrust challenge against Apple. On Tuesday, the U.S. Supreme Court declined to take up appeals on the case, bringing an end to the legal saga, and allowing changes stemming from earlier decisions to come into effect. Apple will allow app makers selling to U.S. customers to add links and buttons inside their apps that bring users out to a website where they can input their credit card information. This was previously banned. In the past, Apple developers had to use Apple's billing system for digital goods like game coins, which takes a 15% to 30% cut, and couldn't tell users that prices can be cheaper on the web. However, Apple now requires that companies that use their own billing system have to offer Apple's as well. It can't be a replacement. Apple said that iPhone and iPad developers have to apply for a software tool, called an entitlement, in order to offer the link or button. Apple will also collect a commission, as much as 27%, from apps that handle their own billing, according to court filings on Tuesday and updated App Store guidelines. The shift is the most tangible result from Epic Games' legal challenge to the App Store. However, it doesn't go far enough for Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney. He said in a statement on Tuesday, "The court battle to open iOS to competing stores and payments is lost in the United States," Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney said. "A sad outcome for all developers. Apple's policies over U.S. billing resemble how the company has handled regulations in the Netherlands and South Korea. Apple's policy to continue to collect commissions could be a significant barrier that eliminates cost savings for developers and pushes users to prefer Apple's in-app purchases." Apple will also tell users through a pop-up screen about the risks they are assuming when they leave the Apple ecosystem, referring to the company's claims that software downloaded from the web can lead to fraud and scams. "You're about to go to an external website. Apple is not responsible for the privacy and security of purchases made on the web," the pop-up window will say, according to a screenshot that Apple included in court filings. In an email to developers sent on Tuesday, Apple warned app makers that implementing their own billing system could create logistical issues. Apple also won't be able to assist customers with refunds, purchase history, subscription management, and other issues encountered when purchasing digital goods and services. "You will be responsible for addressing such issues with customers," Apple said in the email. Apple also implemented a rule stemming from a separate class action lawsuit that allows iPhone app developers to email their customers with offers and alternative purchasing methods, it said in a court filing.